Hi guys, today we'll learn how to set up GitHub account and also how to work on Git. I'll quickly set up my GitHub account. I'll give my username Devops+Aws. Oh, someone has taken that. Mine, yeah, it's taken. Give your Gmail ID. Make sure you give a strong password. Verify this. Okay, don't need this product updates. You can either choose this or you can either skip that. I'm going to confirm my Gmail ID. Okay, guys, this is open in my other GitHub account. Okay, I'll skip this for now. Over here you can create a repository. Let's try to create a repository. You can name anything. I'll name it as project 1. Description is an option. Make sure it is public. Click on this initialize me or readme project. I'm done till here. Have my virtual machine open. I'm using Centos7. Check with my Git version. Okay. I'll quickly connect it through SSH. Just click on this profile settings. You can see over here SSH and GPG key. Click on this. Click on this new SSH. Just try to create a SSH key. Just click enter. You can either copy this, give a cat command. See this, this is your key. Just copy this key. Paste over here. Give this a title. Name it as Centos7 key. Add SSH. Okay. You can create a directory. Project -git. See here I have a directory created. Project -git. Change directory to project -git. You don't have any files. I'll create a file. Touch file 1. Choose VI editor. Choose any editor like Vim or Nano. One I button. Hi, this is my first Git class. Just save this. See this, I have a file 1, but I've not initiated a Git in this a repository. I'll soon try to do it. Git in it. Okay, I'll just try to add the file. Git add file 1. Then check the Git status. Okay. It's asking us to commit. Git commit -m. file 1 added. Okay, the file is added. Now we're gonna push these changes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first clone that git remote add origin. This is the command. Go to your GitHub account. Just click over here, choose SSH, copy this and paste over here. Just do a clone of your project, git clone, and your project is cloning. Click yes. You see this, your project one, it is clone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this file one to project one, file one, project one, change directory to project one. So this, you see over here, I got my file one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this git add dot git commit hyphen m add it. Check with the git log. You can see over here. Now this is your commit ID. This is author, my name and my mail ID. This is the date time. It shows you exact date time when you have committed it. I'm going to push the changes. Git push origin master. Okay, it has pushed the changes. We'll just refresh our GitHub account. See this file one is there. What we're going to do is we're going to create a branch. See over here, we don't have any branches. It's a fresh account, so we have only master now. If you want to see, you can see over here like its status. Sorry. Its status, it shows you are on a branch master. You can create a branch. Get branch feature one feature. You can check out from master to feature. Command is git checkout feature. You see over here, switch to branch feature. We're gonna create a file, touch file 2. Edit that file 2. Insert I command. This is my first branch. You're gonna add that file. Let that file 2. I'm gonna commit the changes. Get commit hyphen m added file 2. Check what git status. Okay, on branch feature, nothing to commit, working directly. Okay, check with git log if you want. Okay, this is the latest commit what I've done, added file 2. Okay, we'll push the changes. Git push origin, and previously we have given git push origin master because it was a master, and now we are on a branch, so we're gonna give a branch name. Our branch name is feature, so we'll give a branch name as feature. Okay, it has pushed the changes. Let's check. I'm sorry, over here. See over here feature. See file 1 and file 2 is there. File 2 which we have recently added. But when you go to feature, oh sorry, master, you don't see file 2 because we need to merge. So what we're gonna do is git checkout master, and see over here switch to branch master. Give command git merge and your branch name, and mine is feature. I've done the merging over here. I'm gonna push the changes. Git push origin master. So the changes, just refresh our GitHub account, and you see, and master also we got file too. Okay, previously it was asking to compare and pull, but now it is not asking because we have merged up a master and branch. Just go to insights, click on this network. You can see over here. Previously it was like graph, now they changed to network. You can see over here. I'm gonna try and create a new branch. Get branch feature one. Git checkout feature one. So now I'm on a branch feature one. I'll try to create a file. Touch file 3. File 3. Just give you I mode. This is my branch one. I'm gonna soon add this file. Add file 3. Just commit it. Git commit -m and your commit message. Just check for git status. Everything is clean. Check with git log. Now this is the latest commit what I've done. Added file 3. Just clear the terminal. I'll push the changes. Git push origin and the branch name. It is feature 1. Okay, changes has been pushed. Project 1. See this? Feature 1 has recently pushed. Click on this feature 1. See this file 1, file 2, file 3. Go to feature. Still have only file 1, file 2. And if you go to master, and you still have file 1 and file 2. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna merge the changes. Git checkout master. And before that, we're gonna check this insights. Click on this network. You see this graph, master feed, and you have top bottom feature, and there's a branch like feature 1 which is not merged to master. Now we're gonna merge that. Git merge feature 1 and change, push the changes. Git push origin master. Okay, let's check our GitHub account. See over here, file 3 is there. We go to insights, go to network, see how it is changed. Master and feature on the same line, and it is merged with master. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll have a next session, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.